Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about quarter 3 results of HDFC AMC. Uh, Total income was up by 26.2% and was declared as 1024 against an estimated uh, revenue of 949. So there is a beat when it comes to revenue. If we talk about net profit, then profit went up by 31.4% to 641 against 488 for same quarter last year, against an estimate of 629. So we can see there has been a beat both in terms of revenue and profit. In the last quarter also, company did post a decent growth in terms of sales. 32% growth was delivered in profit, and 38% growth was delivered for total income. So company has been doing well in terms of delivering growth in last few quarters. AMC is a business which is overall a beneficiary of increase in stock market overall. So whenever market does well, then AMC companies do well since their AMC size increases. Plus, there are new investors which come in looking at the historical uh, returns from stock market, and that in fact improves the profitability and sales for such companies. However, we'll have to see how performance is being shown in coming quarters. If stock market doesn't do that well, if we talk about company's market cap, then market cap is around 86,000 crores and has a PE of 36. It has a good ROE, ROC numbers. ROC is 37.7, ROE of 30, and has a very good dividend yield of 1.75%. Uh, Talking about its valuation, then current PE is below its long term average. Uh, there was a time during 2023 when valuations were topped because of the tapering of profitability, but since then profit numbers have gone up, so is the valuations. We'll have to see how these companies able to perform in coming quarters. If they fail to meet expectations, then we can expect similar sort of a phase for AMC stocks going forward. Historically, growth numbers have been decent, but they have not been so great. If you talk about last 5 years CAGR, then sales CAGR is 9% and profit CAGR is 16%. So it's not very high, but there is a consistency when it comes to sales plus profit. And since there is still very less penetration in terms of financial product among masses in India, still we can see that real estate and gold is are the asset class which are being preferred by Indians, and financialization is has started, and in future more and more people will start parking their excess capital into financial assets, and AMC companies will be a natural beneficiary of this trend. Talking about its technicals, then current trading price is around 4,000. Uh, Stock has a very good support near 3,800. Earlier, it was acting as a resistance. Company reached its all-time high before COVID to that level before coming down. But now that same level is acting as a strong support for this stock. At the top, the company's all-time high of around 4,800 will act as a resistance for this stock. Uh, we will have to see how company declares results coming quarters. If they beat expectations, then we can expect stock to move up and reach to the all-time high again. But if it fails to meet expectation, then we can expect a consolidation phase for this stock going forward. Remember friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a buy or sell recommendation. Thank you.